Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the character illustrations in Dragon Ball Legends. So, before we start, I made this video is for new player or the beginner that's still confused how this game is works. So this game is require a middle to high-end device to give you a best battle animation. Well, but if you are, or in case you have low end or the old device, you can still play this game by adjust the graphics settings. So let's get started by tap the menu, tap the other, and as you can see there are some options here. Tap the third one, the options, and as you can see there are three options: sound, graphics, and other. Tap the graphics, the middle one. So in the setting you have, and you can adjust your graphic quality. You can learn about this graphic quality or resolution, and also screen ratio settings. And this one I want to show this quality. So this one, if you change, it will change quality of character illustration to light version. Changing setting will clearly touch, so you'll need to re-download theme settings. So if you are running this game on low devices, on old device, you can tap this yes to run the Dragon Ball Legend light versions. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. Enjoy the game.